What's up everyone? I'm in North Carolina today. I finally made it out to do some fall hiking. This hike in particular starts at just below 3,000 feet and gets up above 6,000 feet, so we should see some good fall colors along the way. Saw a lot on the drive on the way here, so that's cool. So I'm going to be summiting Mount Mitchell today, which is the highest point east of the Mississippi. It's about 6,600 feet, just above that I believe. It is a bit cold right now, it's like 30, but it's supposed to get up to 50. So I'm sure once I get moving I'll be warm. Might be a good day for a hike instead of a run. It would seem I've picked a great trail for today. Luckily it's still looking really sunny out, which is nice because usually when I decide to hike either around this area or out in the Smokies, whenever I decide to do like a summit hike or something with a lot of elevation, it's almost always completely foggy. One of the cool things about hiking in the mountains out here is like as you change elevation you can tell the difference in the ecosystems, and I like literally just smell the change. It went from smelling very like fall-like to smelling very piney, like Christmas trees almost. So I think this little creek is actually what becomes Set Rock Falls, which I've been to, I think maybe 2 years ago now. So in addition to it smelling different now, I can also feel that it's like slightly colder. So I've climbed just over 2,300 feet so far. I got another 1,300 to go. Not really care about the distance. The distance It's fine. It's the elevation that tires me. Only about 700 more feet to go. It smells so good through here. So I don't really see any land around me that's taller, maybe slightly straight ahead, but I'd say we're almost to the summit.
If it was a straight road, 8 hours might be. If.
Down there, so they just come along here, sorry. There's no way we could have kept it there. We just let them suck together and stuff. It's hard to watch, but so nice.
I'm taking a slightly different way back down. This is the Balsam Nature Trail, and it will meet back up with the Mount Mitchell Trail that I took to get up here. I haven't had this flavor yet, but I like every other flavor I've tried of this bar. Since they are so calorie dense, I usually just eat about a quarter of one at a time while I'm out hiking or running or biking or whatever. I'm gonna veer off on the Higgins Bald Trail now, and this too will meet back up with the Mount Mitchell Trail closer to the trailhead. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.